Radhika from 3rd year. Let's do some fun with salt. Let's get started. Our first experiment. Need salt, 1 plate, 1 thread, and ice cube. Take some ice cubes and keep it in a row. And take some salt and add some salt on the thread like this. Now let us start our second experiment. We need vinegar, some salt and 1 copper bowl. Take some vinegar, pour into 1 small bowl. Take some salt. Now let us scrub it. You can see it's so white. Now let us go to our third experiment. Now our salt is so salty we know. We can make the salt sweet by adding some flour. We can add it. It's ready to add it. We can add more. Now let us mix it by adding some flour. Let us taste it. It's so sweet. Some salt, some pepper, and a woolen cloth, a plastic spoon, and a plate. Salt, and again add some pepper and mix it. Now let us rub plastic spoon on the woolen cloth. Place it on the, it's like a magic. Sticks to the pepper sticks to the plastic spoon. Now let us do our fifth experiment. Some water into the glass. We need some eggs and some salt. Add some salt into the second glass. More salt. Let's mix it. Now place the 2 eggs into one glass. One again one. You can see this is floating like a boat. This is in the underwater. You can see. Our last experiment. Take some juice and ice cubes and some salt. Let's add some ice cubes in the bowl. Add so many ice cubes for this experiment. Now let us add salt into the bowl. Add some more. Now let us observe this jar after 10 minutes. This liquid freezes. You can see this is ice. The liquid is changed into ice.